Sri Jagannath Temple in Faridabad is a replica of famous Puri Sri Jagannath Temple. Faridabad is a metro city in the National Capital Region and North Indian state of Haryana. It lies just southeast of New Delhi.
The basic ceremony of Vastu Puja, when we are performing that, the Vice Chancellor of Jagannath Sanskrit University, he was the main Purohit, what you call it, when he came to this place and we started the yajna, and he instantly told us, he named this place as Brahma Ketra because the Brahma of the entire India is at Delhi, the location of the Delhi. Brahma means, what you call it, thoracic part. That was the reason being they have coined the name Brahma Ketra, because the Jagannath, whenever he is there in any place, it became a Kshetra. Sri Kshetra in Puri and Brahma Kshetra in Faridabad. Bharti ji was instrumental in getting this plot. Mr. Ashok Sen, Mr. Bharti, Mr. Vardhan, Mr. Nayak, R.C. Nayak, those five people used to do, when they were young, they used to visit political personality over here in Delhi to allot a plot for this temple. And you will be, we are blessed by their activity because they don't have any motorcycle for that, or scooter at that time. They used to use their bicycle and with two set of shirts. Because when they reach Delhi from here, after 35 kilometers, they get drenched.
In which year, sir?
It is in the 79-80. They will change their shirt and go to the political personality. S.S. Mahapatra, he was General Secretary, Congress, Indira Congress. And he was blessed rather to influence the then Chief Minister, late Sri Bhajan Lal, to allot this plot for us.
A beautiful Kalinga architectural temple with a blend of modernity, located in a calm locality, truly a divine place to visit.
The basic Vastu is based on the literature available in Puri and the basic Jagannath Saili temple, Utkaliya Saili. The person who is responsible for the construction of the temple, he has been sent by Lord Jagannath per se. He from Puri itself, is a small guy, and he along with a 21-year-old Ramchandra Bisoi, he architected the entire temple.
In Brahma Kshetra, the main puja is performed for the idols of Lord Balabhadra, Lord Jagannath and Devi Subhadra. There are known to be three avatars of Lord Vishnu, namely Baraha, Baman and Narsingha, on three outer walls of Garbhagriha.
Late Sri Radhanath Rath, he was the editor of Samaj in our Orissa. He brought the deity from Puri, and the small temple was what you call we put over there Bhagavan Jagannath, Balabhadra, Subhadra and Sudarshan in the year 1985.
The sides of the temple are decorated with statues of the female dancers, Nartaki, embodied on its wall with different style and pose of dances. The significance of these dancing statues narrates the surrender of body and soul and getting mesmerized into the Bhakti Rasa completely. They depict that once the creation of God, the Lord Jagannath, comes out of the womb, the Garbha, They fall in love with God's devotion and justify their existence in the real world, the living world where we stay. The entry to the main temple through the Mukhashala is guarded by the king of animals, the lion. Two lions stood tall in the blessing pose mark the Prabhudarshanam without fear but with eternal devotion and peace. Once the entrance to the main temple is accessed, then comes the Dashavatara, the avatars of Lord Vishnu in 10 different forms. It depicts that the Creator Himself has come into existence for the sake of the welfare of the entire universe. The Garbhagriha is through the three layers again marked as the Navagriha, Nagabandha and Lakshmipata. These layers signifies the protocol and marks the respect to have the lords inside. The Navagraha, the lords of 9 planets, provide the purification of body and soul before approaching the Trinity. The Nagabandha keeps the devil power by destroying the ill thoughts. And finally the Lord's darshan comes after the blessing of Mother. The Lakshmi Pata, after access is granted from these 3 layers, now it is the time for the Lord's darshan with the permission of Jaya Vijay, the Dwarapal, the guards to Bhagavan.
जगन्नाथ जी के दर्शन के लिए जब आते हैं, मुखशाला एंट्री करने से पहले हम पहले जो है दोनों सिंह जो रखा हुआ है उनको रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं। उसके बाद ऊपर जो 10 अवतार हैं, 10 अवतार की जो है दर्शन करते हैं और उनको सम्मान देते हैं कि जरूर हम अंदर जा रहे हैं। फिर आके विष्णु जी के वाहन यहाँ गरुड़ हैं, गरुड़ जी के दर्शन करते हैं और उनको रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं। उसके बाद फिर आगे आते हैं कि नाट मंदिर तक। नाट मंदिर में आने के बाद यहाँ जो क्रम है, प्रभु के दर्शन करने से पहले हम ये नाग और नागिन ये कपल पोजीशन में है, इनकी दर्शन करते हैं। इनका सिग्निफिकेंस ये है, इनको दर्शन करने के बाद अगर हमारे अंदर कोई इविल थॉट्स होगा वो सारा जो है निकल जाएगा दिमाग से और हम जो है अच्छी तरह से कंसंट्रेट हो पाएंगे प्रभु के दर्शन के लिए। ये नाग नागिन दर्शन की बात, माता लक्ष्मी है मिडिल में, लक्ष्मी जी का वो परमिशन लेते हैं कि हम प्रभु के दर्शन के लिए जाएं। फिर फाइनल जो परमिशन जो है जय विजय, ये जो द्वारपाल है इनसे परमिशन लेकर फिर अंदर जा सकते हैं। अंदर जाने के बाद फिर रत्न सिंहासन, ये इस पे प्रभु बैठे हैं, इसको कहते हैं रत्न सिंहासन। रत्न सिंहासन में 84 तरह के वैल्यूएबल स्टोन्स, मेटल्स सारे कुछ हैं। विद देयर यंत्र, बलराम की यंत्र अलग है, सुभद्रा जी की अलग है और विष्णु जी के अलग है। वो यंत्र के ऊपर वो बैठे हैं और साथ में देखेंगे वहाँ सुदर्शन जी एक सीधा सरल रेखा की तरह वो खड़े हैं। हम समझते हैं सुदर्शन तो चक्र है, लेकिन वो चक्र को अगर 360 को आप 1 पॉइंट में लाएंगे इट विल बिकम ए स्ट्रेट लाइन। सो उसी कंसेप्ट में सुदर्शन यहाँ है। साथ में एक छोटा जगन्नाथ की रूप है, वो है नील माधव जो कि आदि है। ये लोग आने से पहले, आई मीन टू से बलराम जी, सुभद्रा जी और जगन्नाथ जी, ये मूर्ति बनने से पहले नीलमाधव थे। नीलमाधव जाने के बाद फिर इनकी आविर्भाव हुई है और उनके साथ इस साइड में श्रीदेवी हैं और इस साइड में भूदेवी हैं। भूदेवी जो है धरती माता है, धरती पे प्रभु आए हैं, इसलिए भूदेवी का भी स्थान वो अपना सिंहासन पे है। ये हम इसको कहते हैं सप्त स्पर्धा मूर्ति।
Inside the main temple, there are the creators of the universe in the form of main three idols, namely Lord Balabhadra, Sadashiva, Lord Jagannath, Vishnu, and Lord Subhadra, Brahma, along with Sri Devi, Bhudevi, Neelamadhava, and Sudarshan. They all rest on a platform known as the Ratnabedi, the seat embedded with jewels. The platform, the Ratnabedi, is connected to the sacred soils from 7 different rivers: Ganduki in Nepal, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, and Brahma Sarovar in Kurukshetra. There is one large shaligram, has a significance of source of invisible energy derived from the God and makes us feel energetic. It brings us the belief and the confidence within our body and soul.
ये गोपाल शालिग्राम है और सबसे बड़ा शालिग्राम यहाँ पे हमारे पास है। वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट शालिग्राम इन रादर इन नॉर्दर्न इंडिया वी कुड से। इतने बड़े शालिग्राम बहुत कम है अवेलेबल।
वैज्ञानिक ये कह रहे हैं कि ये यूनिवर्स जो है ब्लैक मैटर, ब्लैक एनर्जी, दैट कंटेन्स योर 94%, अदर एलिमेंट्स आर जस्ट 6%. एवरीथिंग जनरेट्स फ्रॉम योर ब्लैक मैटर एंड ब्लैक एनर्जी. एंड हु आर द क्रिएटर्स? Creator is your Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. These three are main participants for creation of this universe. We believe, or in Jagannath culture, it is denoted Balram is your Swayam Shiv and Subhadra is Brahma and Jagannath is Vishnu with his power Sudarshan. Actually they have generated this universe and creator is there. So creator, where there will be, it must be a black. That is the main conception.
Apart from all these, the inside walls of temple has embedded with another 122 statues depicting the different stages of life cycle, especially the stages showing the devotion to the God full of joy and surrender, namely can be called Sri Krishna Leela.
ये जो गर्भगृह है, इस गर्भगृह के बारे में दो बातें आपको क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ।
तो ऊपर से काट देते
एक स्वयं विष्णु की रूप है कि विष्णु भगवान की रूप कैसे वो किया हुआ है। ये जो आप प्लेटफॉर्म देख रहे हैं, इसको हम मानते हैं विष्णु जी के पैर हैं, पाद पद्म। देन अप टू ये स्ट्रेट पोर्शन, ये जो सीधा जो देख रहे हैं, ये उनकी जो है लेग्स है, टांग है। टांग के बाद ये जो कर्वेचर दिया हुआ है, ये कर्वेचर जो है ये एक्चुअली बॉडी है,
बॉडी पार्ट।
और उसके बाद देखेंगे कि एक इन्वर्टेड टाइप है,
इन्वर्टर ऊपर
कैविटी सा बना हुआ है, वो जो है गला है। गला के बाद जो है हेड है, सिर, और सिर के ऊपर जो है मंगल कलश है और उसके साथ नील चक्र है। ये जो है हम मानते हैं कि ये स्वयं विष्णु है। इसलिए अगर मंदिर ना भी आ पाए, दूर से अगर वो झंडा को देखे और वहाँ जो माथे पे जो है ना एक पर्टिकुलर साइन है, उस साइन को अगर आप देख के अगर अपना रेस्पेक्ट देना चाहते हैं दे सकते हैं। वो भी विष्णु भगवान को मान्य है, जगन्नाथ जी को मान्य है। वो साइन आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ। रेड सिंबल जो है ये जाना जाता है, कहा जाता है कि ये चैतन्य है। चैतन्य क्या है? चैतन्य वर्ड इटसेल्फ इज डिनोटिंग कि उसका जो मीनिंग जो है चेतना से है। ये एक्चुअली देखिए कि ये जो सिर है, सिर के ऊपर कपाल है, कपाल में हर एक इंसान के कपाल में उसके आत्मा होती है, वही चेतना की सोर्स है। वो विष्णु भगवान के आत्मा को दर्शाया गया है, वो है चेतन चेतना। तो वो दर्शन करो तो विष्णु भगवान को उचित मानो। Difference of this Muksala, in Puri Muksala you will find the sides are very much straight with a perfect angle. Maybe it is a 58 degree or 60 degree, something like that. But in our case, it is the shape is like your lotus petal. That is the main difference between Puri temple and our. First is your in Satyug, it is Badrinath. Badrinath is meant for Vishnuji's dhyan. Then second one is here Treta. In Treta, the importance is Snan. Before the Yagya, actually Ram worshipped his superpower, it's Shiva, and for that you just watch it. After taking bath, everything took place. And third one is here Dwapar. Dwapar is important for Sayan. When Arjun and Duryodhana both went there, actually Krishna was sleeping, and when Arjun touched his feet, then he woke up. In Kali Yuga, Vishnu's main importance is here Bhojan. Bhojan. In Jagannath culture, Bhojan is made. That is the important. For that, this kitchen is more important. This is the significance of four things.
Forming the temple is not in human hand, it is all godly. Basically it started long back, somewhere in year 1986. And we acquired the land with the permission of Buddha. And then the concept started that we will build a Sri Jagannath temple. And if you see the temple having height of somewhere 100 feet. Earlier it was a very small temple near this place. And slowly with the devotion and sacrifices of all good people in Faridabad, this temple is now in the structure you are seeing here. Approximately, if you talk about the footfall of this temple, it is approximately 500 to 1000 daily basis. But on the occasions like Thursdays, Sundays, it crosses 2000. As per the rituals of the Shri Kshetra, that is Puri in Odisha, we call it Brahma Kshetra in Faridabad. There are 13 kinds of seva which is regularly done annually. And
what type of sevas basically?
Basically, to summarize, the main is the world famous Puri Jagannath Yatra. The same is being replicated here. So we have built up a huge chariot which is stored here, and every year in the month of June or July it is carried out. Then Kartik Purnima is another major festival which is held over here. As far as charity is concerned, we are conducting so many programs to help poor people,
Okay.
and we are having dance classes, especially for the Odissi Nritya,
Okay.
which is our important Odissi dance.
So when they're organized actually the programs
It is on the regular basis. Classes are being held here.
daily.
Yeah.
All the devotees of Sri Jagannath or which Vaishnav sect or any sect who want to visit the temple, they are most welcome. If they want to donate to us, we have a small dispensary over here. We will be open it tomorrow itself.
Okay, sir.
It's a allopathic dispensary, charitable dispensary.
Okay, sir.
As far as the organizational structure is concerned, we have total complete hierarchy as in any organization. We do have president, vice president, general secretary, and secretary for finance, for construction, and for the daily administration. To name it, Dr. P.K. M.K. Das, Mr. Ashok Shan,
Okay.
Shri Vardhan, Shri Gautam Chandok, Shri D. Bharati, Mr. Panigrahi, Mr. Nimai, Shri Nityanand Rao, and of course Gautam I am there.
Anil, Mr. Anil.
And we would like to include Mr. K.C. Mahanti and one of our beloved member, late Mr. Bimbadar Sahu, who has just gone to his abroad journey very recently.